Hello, people of California. I analyze conservative and liberal media and their positions on immigration. A linkage institution is a structure within a society that connects the people to the government or centralized authority. Most find out about candidates running for office, public officials, and burning issues through the media. I had the opportunity to analyze the O'Reilly factor and their point of view and arguments of the uprising on illegal immigration. The political ideology of this source is conservative. Evidence to support why I believe this source is conservative is that Bill O'Reilly is well known for being a conservative, is known for having a conservative viewpoint. The O'Reilly factor's point of view on immigration is that, quoted by Bill O'Reilly, is something we should not have because the U.S. doesn't have the money to support all these people, as stated. This source is biased because it points fingers at the president and the Democratic Party for the country's severe decline and provides evidence by providing evidence and statistics. The O'Reilly factor claims that the basic immigration problem is centered in El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras, according to data collected by the Census Bureau and Homeland Security. Almost 3 million immigrants from those countries have come to the U.S., and 60% of them are illegal. 70% of all those immigrants cannot speak English very well. 70%. About 50% of those immigrants use at least one major welfare program once they get here. That was exactly what Bill O'Reilly said in the O'Reilly factor that I had the chance to analyze. This strengthens his argument because they are restating statistics by Homeland Security and Census Bureau. So it's using actual data that has been collected and is using them to prove his argument of immigration not being something that we could afford because these people are using, because immigrants are using welfare programs and those cost money, so it shows why he is saying that we cannot afford that. One thing that he shows that doesn't strengthen his argument is that he does not provide enough evidence to support his argument. For one, the O'Reilly factor does not provide any statistics for his opposing viewpoint, such as the amount of taxes the immigrants have paid in the past. This weakens their argument because it shows no opposing viewpoints. It only states his viewpoints and it does not give other viewpoints a chance because he does not mention any statistics or does not provide any evidence. Some logical fallacies that I found were ad hominem and fear and force, and force and fear. We see the argument of ad hominem in the video when he talks about Pelosi, who is a government official, and he starts bashing on her by saying, this woman is off-chart loopy, is she not? If Mrs. Pelosi knew anything, which she apparently doesn't, and for this is an ad hominem because Bill O'Reilly here is attacking Mrs. Pelosi, who is a government official, and he is like basically discounting her opinion of wanting to take in all these illegal immigrants. And Bill O'Reilly uses fear and force in a lot of chunks and parts in his speech. Like, for example, when he says that America is in severe decline and that we cannot take in all these people, he is basically telling the people that if we allow these people to come, these illegal immigrants to join the country, we will find all these decreases and stuff that will affect our country negatively.